Danger and walking downtown together through the rain and the sleet and snow. How on earth was I supposed to know that you were a ghost and my heart still blue? I couldn't see it from your point of view. Felt like that hole in the old canoe. And I said, why don't you go home? Why don't you go home? On a cold lake in late December, like a dog with an old bone, holding too tight to make it safely home. We threw around a few bad ideas and settled on the one that made you cry. And I knew better than to ask you why. And I said, why don't you go home? Why don't you go home? And so we walked some more and hatched a plan. We'll ditch this town in the auto van. We'll migrate west and then we'll head down south. And we'll teach our kids history by word of mouth. And I said, why don't you